In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use insights formulas in Mixpanel. By the end, you'll know how to combine metrics with formulas, apply filters, and break down results to answer deeper product questions. First, open your Mixpanel project. From the home page, look toward the top area where you start new analyses and click Create New. When the menu appears, choose Insights. This opens the Insights Report Builder, which is where we'll define metrics and build our formula. On the right side of the screen, find the Metrics panel. Click Metrics to expand it, then click Select Metric. This is where you pick the base metrics that your formula will use, like event counts, unique users, or sessions, depending on what's available in your project. Choose a metric that reflects the behavior you want to analyze. Next, click Formula. Formulas let you combine one or more metrics using math. Think addition, subtraction, division, or ratios, so you can express things like conversion rate, retention lift, or cost per action. Click Create New to start building a custom formula. In the formula editor, type your expression. As you type, the editor will reference the metrics you selected, and you can use operators like plus, and. For example, you might divide a successful action metric by a visited page metric to get a rate, or subtract one metric from another to see change over time. Keep an eye on units so you're comparing like with like. For instance, mixing totals and unique counts may produce unexpected results. If your formula needs additional inputs, use add metric to include more metrics and variables. Each added metric becomes part of your expression, allowing you to build more nuanced calculations without leaving the report. To refine the data behind your formula, click Filter. Filters restrict the underlying events or users to specific criteria such as platform, plan type, or geographic region. Choose what to filter so your formula reflects the exact audience or behavior you care about. This is especially helpful when you want to compare the same formula under different conditions. For deeper insights, click Breakdown. A breakdown segments your formula's result by a property you choose, like device, country, or feature variant. Choose the property to break down by, and Mixpanel will split the formula output into comparable series, making it easy to spot patterns, outliers, or segments that perform differently. That's it. You went from opening an insights report to selecting metrics, building a formula, refining it with filters, and segmenting with a breakdown. Use this workflow anytime you need a clear, comparable view of your product's key results.